All right, today we got 2 dead pine trees in a really tight spot here. Got a light pole, got the house over here. We got a magnolia tree. So there was a couple options, either send it this way towards the chicken coop, but I measured it out and it would have been way too close for comfort. So what we're gonna do is try to squeeze it right through this gap. I got the rope on it. Got a ported Echo 680. All right, we're on to the second tree now. About to set a rope in it. This one's very dead. Out here by this chicken coop. So what I'm gonna do, shoot it right through this gap right here. All right, so this is how I put a rope up in a tree. Tie this bean bag on. And it comes in this cube so you can keep everything organized. And what you do is just run it through like this. And then give it a nice swing. Sling it right through just like that.
Yep.
You just untie the bean bag and tie your rope on. And then pull this side and it'll go right up. All right, clear. All right, we got the rope set in the top. I got it base tied. It's super dead. I mean, just barely pulling on it, almost snapped the top out. Hit a wire in here, I didn't even see it. Just stole my chain out.
Yeah.
Perfect. It's one dead tree. Thing exploded, didn't it? Yeah, I was using my big saw here and hit a piece of wire and totally dulled this chain out. So I used a 20-inch bar and got it done. Well guys, that went pretty good. Sometimes those dead trees are hard to predict, you know, how much good holding wood you're gonna have. Even though that big one was so dead, there was still a good bit of wood at the stump. So it went over nicely. Hit that wire, dulled out that big chain, but it happens. So always have a backup saw ready when you're, you know, dropping big trees. That way if you need to grab something, you're good. Yeah, went pretty good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.